Introducing the next generation CAT 320D3 GC hydraulic excavator. This 20-ton model is designed to work in any type of application and execute the job on time. CAT 320D3 GC works efficiently by consuming just 11 to 13 liters of fuel per hour, and with a maintenance cost of Rs 48 per hour, it is the lowest in its size class. With a low initial purchase cost and lowest in-class maintenance cost, this machine is ideal if you are looking for an excavator with optimum productivity, best-in-class fuel savings, high reliability and durability. 320D3 GC comes with a 1 meter cube bucket, which is 1.28 meter wide with a dual curve design. The unique bucket design ensures a high fill factor, leading to better productivity. With a 5.7 meters boom, 2.25 meters stick and a digging depth of almost 6 meters, 320D3 GC is capable of handling any application with ease. The CAT 320D3 GC is powered by a proven ALH series 6-cylinder engine, especially designed and configured for CAT excavator. It has a 5.76-liter engine producing 134 horsepower at the lowest speed of 1700 RPM. This engine has the lowest in-class overhaul cost. The lower engine speed and power density makes the engine more durable by increasing wear life of components and reducing stress. The mechanical fuel injection system is less sensitive to fuel quality and contamination, making troubleshooting easy with cost-effective repairs. The hydraulic system is tuned to deliver the best in segment power and dynamic flow. The highest in industry standard system pressure of 35 megapascal combined with 400 liters per minute of hydraulic flow results in enhanced performance. The hydraulic system comes with features like lower pump speed, optimized dynamic flow settings, high-performance filtration and contamination prevention measures to make it most efficient and durable. The new improved hydraulic return oil filter with bottom entry minimizes turbulence and sloshing, helps extend the filter and oil change interval and reduce maintenance cost. The advanced pilot system eliminates the need of pilot pump and uses main hydraulic pump flow through a pressure reduction valve. This helps in reducing fuel consumption, maintenance cost, and increases durability. The CAT 320D3 GC undercarriage is built to last. It features a heavy X-frame built using thick, high-grade steel plates, 600 mm wide triple grouser track shoes, 4.08 meter long track. Its grease-lubricated undercarriage rollers are sealed to keep dirt and debris out, minimize wear and tear, and extend the life of components no matter the terrain. The 320D3 GC comes with an ergonomically designed next-gen operator cabin, safe, spacious, quiet, and air-conditioned to ensure that the operator can work in comfort all day. The cabin is equipped with a monitor to clearly display fuel and oil levels and provide critical service alerts. The CAT 320D3 GC is powered by technology solutions like Product Link and Vision Link, offering remote access to machine operational data, health and security alerts. The CAT 320D3 GC not only gives you more profits per hour while working more than 3,000 hours annually, but also provides the best-in-class resale value when you decide to sell it off. The CAT 320D3 GC gives you the lowest maintenance cost per hour, lowest in-segment fuel consumption, which help you earn back the premium you paid within 1 year. What's more, with a wide dealer network and more than 200 branches across India, Caterpillar customers are assured of reliable, prompt after-sales support at your doorstep. The CAT 320D3 GC hydraulic excavator. Lower your cost per hour, dig more profit.